Good morning, students. Today our class is chemical properties of acids. Now we are taking the acids, how do they react with the metals or bases or any other compounds. So the chemical properties of acids. First property, acids reacts with the metals. How do they react with the metals? Any acid reacts with any metal to give the metallic salt plus hydrogen gas. Here we are taking the hydrochloric acid. It reacts with the zinc metal to give the zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Here zinc reacts with the chlorine to give the zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. We are taking the another metal, HCl, hydrochloric acid, reacts with the magnesium to give the magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Take another example, another acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It reacts with magnesium to give the MgSO4, magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Like that, we are taking the any acid reacts with any metal to give the metallic salt plus hydrogen gas. This is the first chemical property. Next, second one. Acids reacts with the metal carbonates. Acids reacts with the carbonates. How do they react with the carbonates? Carbonates means we are taking the sodium carbonate or calcium carbonate, anyone. So acid plus carbonate, acid plus metal carbonates to give the metallic salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Here carbon dioxide and water. Carbonates means they are releasing the carbon dioxide gas. Here we are taking the example. Hydrochloric acid reacts with calcium carbonate to give the metallic salt plus carbon dioxide and water molecules. Calcium reacts with chlorine to give the calcium chloride. Carbon dioxide CO3 dissociated to give the carbon dioxide and water molecules. Here CO2 gas. Take the another example. Hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium carbonate. Same products are formed. Metallic salt. Here we are taking the magnesium. So magnesium chloride is formed plus carbon dioxide gas and also use the water molecules. Take another example. Sulfuric acid. We are taking the sulfuric acid. We are taking the magnesium carbonate. It gives the magnesium sulfate, MgSO4 plus carbon dioxide gas plus water molecules. So any acid reacts with the metal carbonates to give the metallic salt plus carbon dioxide and water molecules. And next, third one. Acids reacts with the bicarbonates. Third chemical property. Acids reacts with the bicarbonates. Any acid reacts with the metal bicarbonate to give the metallic salt plus carbon dioxide gas plus water molecule. Here once observe, acids reacts with metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates. The products are same. There is no change on the products. They give the metallic salt, carbon dioxide gas and water. Take the examples. Hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 to gives the Na and Cl combines to gives the sodium chloride, salt, table salt. Carbon dioxide gas is released plus water molecule. This is the example. So any acid reacts with metal bicarbonate to gives the metallic salt plus carbon dioxide plus water molecule. This is the example. Next, fourth property. Acids reacts with the bases. Fourth property. Acids reacts with bases. So any acid reacts with any base to gives the salt and water. Any acid reacts with any base to gives the salt and water. This reaction is called the neutralization reaction. Here we are taking the acid HCl, base sodium hydroxide. These are dissociated into H plus and Cl minus, Na plus and OH minus ions. Opposite charges are always attracts with each other to gives the salt NaCl. H plus and OH minus combines to gives the H2O. So here salt is the neutral substance, water is the neutral substance. So here the products, two products are the neutral substances. So this reaction is called the neutralization reaction. So this reaction is called the neutralization reaction. Take the another acid and another base. Acid, sulfuric acid, reacts with magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice, to gives the Mg and SO4 combines to gives the MgSO4 plus 2 water molecules. So any acid reacts any base to gives the salt plus water molecule. This reaction is called the neutralization reaction. These are the four chemical properties of acids.